This conference will now be recorded.
So good evening everyone. Let me start. So today we'll talk about roles. Okay. So in the previous class we talked about users, how to create a users and all. So let us log into account, login.salesforce. So let us log into our app. So today we are talking about roles. Okay. So what is a role? How we can create a role? Everything let's see. Okay. So let's go to setup. So what is a role? A role is nothing but it's a set of hierarchy that we can define to a user. What is a role? A role is nothing but it's a set of hierarchy that we define to. A role is nothing but it's a set of hierarchy that we define. Okay, so who is reporting to whom and who is having what kind of data access. What is a role? It's a set of hierarchy. So which defines who is reporting to whom and who is having what kind of data access. Okay. So today we'll talk about how to create a roles and how to edit the role, how to delete the role, how to assign to user. So coming to the data part, we'll talk after profiles. Okay, coming to the data part, we'll talk after profiles. Okay, so let's see how we can create a role. So just type in a quick find box role. Okay, so click on roles. So now you see on the top company is there CEO, C category employee. To them, some other people are reporting. Okay, right? You can go with the product base, company size base, however you want. Okay. Now set up roles. See on the top company name is there RD. So how means so whatever the company information in the company information. So whatever the company name is there, that came automatically. So just go to company information. So in the company information, whatever the organization name is there, that will come in the top. Okay. For example, if you change, now go to roles. See. So once you come here, expand all so that we can see complete roles. Okay. So on the top, company is there. Okay. So to the company, CEO is reporting to the CEO. CFO is reporting to the CFO. COO is reporting to the COO. SVP Customer Service and Support. Under SVP Customer Service Support, we have Customer Support International. So customer support North America, installation and repair. Okay. And then SVP Human Resources, under him SVP Sales and Marketing, under him VP North America, VP International Sales, VP Marketing, under VP Marketing, Marketing Team, under SVP Sales and Marketing, we have VP North America Sales, under him Director Channel Sales, under Director Channel Sales, under VP North America Sales, Director Channels, Eastern Sales, Western Sales. This how the structure Salesforce has been given to us. Okay. Okay. So now, so this is a tree view, or you can see in a sorted list view, or you can see in a list view, however you want. Okay. So now I want to see in a tree view, for example. Okay. So what we can do, okay. I don't want to use this role. Okay. For example, if you want to edit, just click on edit. See, I can change the label name, role name, everything I can change. And I can also change the assignment. Okay. To whom it has to assign. Okay. Now, so I can delete and I can assign to user, delete and assign, we'll see. And in between two roles, we can add a role. So now I want to implement this structure. And so the roles are two types. They are standard and custom also we can create. So now I want to create a custom roles here. So on the top company is there to the company CEO is reporting to the CEO, CFO, to the CEO, CFO, to the CFO, director, under director, vice president, under vice president, general manager, under general manager, area manager, under area manager, sales head, under sales head, sales manager, under sales manager, sales team lead, sales, under sales team lead, sales representative. Okay. So like that we have a structure. Okay. Now I want to implement this structure here. Okay. For that we'll delete. So click on delete button. Yes, or you should delete. So remember, whenever you try to delete a role, so system will look for two things. Whenever you try to delete a role, so system will look for two things. One is, so whatever role that you are trying to delete, to that role any user got assigned, then it will not allow you to delete. And to that role, any other roles are reporting. That time also it will not allow you to delete. See, it will check any users and roles are any users assigned or any other roles are reporting, then it will not allow you to delete. So as of now, the roles are reporting. We are not assigned to any of the user that we know, but some other roles are reporting to CEO, so we cannot delete. So if I want to delete, what I have to do? So since if you go from bottom to up, there is no dependency. So delete, 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 delete. So we are deleting one by one. Let me delete. So now we deleted. Let's go ahead and create a roles. So how to create a role? Just click on add role. Just click on add role. Okay. So I'll give the role name. Label means role name. So I'll give the role name as, let's say, CEO. Okay. So what is the role name that we given? Same thing came in the, what is the label that we given? Same thing given the role name. So label will be visible to the user. Role name will be understand by the platform. And to whom you want to report, select the lookup so that you can select save and new. COO reports to CEO, save and new. CFO reports to COO, save and new. Director reports to CFO, save and new. Vice President reports to Director, save and new. General Manager reports to Vice President, save and new. Area Manager reports to General Manager, save and new. Sales Head reports to Area Manager, save and new. Sales Manager reports to Sales Head, save and new. So Sales Team Lead reports to Sales Manager, and then Sales Executive reports to Sales Team Lead. Save. So that's how we created a roles. Okay. Now these roles, let's assign to user and just set up the role. Go to setup, one more setup. Go to users, click on user. Now if I want to assign to user, okay. So go to roles, from here just click on assign. It shows all unassigned means the list of users who are not assigned to any of the role. All unassigned active means the list of active users who are not assigned to any of the role. All users means active, inactive, assigned, in, unassigned, everything it shows. So always select all users. So I'll select the user. Okay. So what I did, one role I assigned to multiple users, right? So one role I assigned to multiple users. If we go and check in the users, so a role, same role we assign to multiple users. Same role we assign to multiple users. Same role we assign to multiple users. Next. So we'll try to assign one more role to that user, all users. See. So now this user has to get two roles, right? Let's see. See, it got only current role. It means that a user will have only one role. It means that a user will have only one role. But a role can be assigned to multiple users. One role you can assign to multiple users. For example, you can create a role called sales executive. You can assign that role to all the sales executive who are working in across the global. Now, you can have a user. A user means he is working for he is working as sales executive. You will have only one role. So you cannot have multiple roles. But same role you can assign to multiple users. Clear? Any questions on roles? The data part will talk after profiles. Any questions on this topic, roles? So we have seen what is a role, how to create, how to edit, how to delete, how to assign. Okay. So in between two roles, you can add any role anytime. Any questions?
Sir, I won't be able to attend from tomorrow, like for a week.
Huh? Sorry?
I won't be able to attend the class from tomorrow for a week, from this
Okay.
Thursday, like tomorrow
Mm.
to next Thursday.
Okay.
So, I mean, if you could just share